All the carbon dioxide used in the pure cut system comes from recycled sources, making it a sustainable choice for machining. Carbon dioxide is typically captured from industrial processes like fertilizer production, ethanol manufacturing, or even brewing beer. Instead of releasing it to the atmosphere, this carbon dioxide is purified, transported by truck, and stored as a liquid in tanks at your facility. At large factories, the tanks, the pumps, and the heaters are usually placed outside with stainless steel plumbing, delivering that carbon dioxide directly to your machine. For smaller operations or for testing, carbon dioxide cylinders can be used with a portable pump, a heater, and a control system positioned near the machine tool. The carbon dioxide is pressurized and heated to make it suitable for pure cut, delivering incredible machining performance while reducing greenhouse gas emissions compared to emulsion. Pure Cut turns this carbon dioxide into a high-efficiency machining solution that's good for productivity and good for the planet.